Hey guys, welcome again to Fun with Maths. Here's another problem. 2m squared whole over 3 minus square root of 9 plus 2m whole to the power of 2 is equal to m plus 21. Find m. So here's the solution. So first, for our given equation, we need to rationalize our denominator by multiplying the positive. So this is now 2m squared all over 3 minus square root of 9 plus 2m whole to the power of 2 times the positive 3 plus square root of 9 plus 2m whole to the power of 2 whole over 3 plus square root of 9 plus 2m whole to the power of 2 equals m plus 21. Now let's recall the following identity. We have a plus b whole to the power of 2, which can be expanded as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. And another identity is a squared minus b squared, which is also equal to a minus b times a plus b. So we're following this identity. We can now write this as 2m squared times this. So that is 2m squared times the expanded form. 3 squared, that is 9, plus square root of 9 plus 2m whole to the power of 2. The square can be cancelled and the radical. So we're left with 9 plus 2m. And then 2 times 3 times square root of 9 plus 2m, that is equal to plus 6 square root of 9 plus 2m. All over 3 minus square root of 9 plus 2m whole to the power of 2 times a plus square root of 9 plus 2m whole to the power of 2. So same as this. So we need to write it as 9 minus into 9 plus 2m whole to the power of 2. So this is how we write the product of our denominator by following this identity equals the right side m plus 21. Now combining like terms, this is now 2m squared times 9 plus 9, that is 18, plus 2m plus 6 square root of 9 plus 2m all over 9 minus 9 plus 2m whole to the power of 2 equals m plus 21. Now next is, we can now multiply. So 2m squared times 18, that is equal to 36m squared. And then 2m squared times 2m, that is plus 4m cubed. And then 2m squared times 6 square root of 9 plus 2m, that is equal to plus 12m squared square root of 9 plus 2m. All over. Here, let's multiply the negative inside. So let's bring out 9 and then negative times 9, that is negative 9 or minus 9. Negative times positive 2m, that is negative 2m in whole to the power of 2 equals m plus 21. Now to continue, we can subtract our denominator, which is 9 minus 9 minus 2m whole to the power of 2. So for this, 9 minus 9, that's already 0. So we can remove that. So we left here with negative 2m whole to the power of 2. And this is equal to positive 4m squared. So to write, this is now 36m squared plus 4m cubed plus 12m squared square root of 9 plus 2m whole over positive 4m squared equals m plus 21. Then we're going to put over 1 on our right side so we can cross multiply. So this is now 36m squared plus 4m cubed plus 12m squared square root of 9 plus 2m times 1 is the same. 36 m squared plus 4m cubed plus 12m squared square root of 9 plus 2m equals m plus 21 times 4m squared, that is 4m squared times m plus 21. So now let's multiply our right side. So this is now 36m squared plus 4m cubed plus 12m squared square root of 9 plus 2m equals 4m squared times m, that is 4m cubed, and then 4m squared times 21, that is plus 84m squared. Next is, for our left side, we can take all of this to the right side. So this side will be equal to 0. So now this is 0. Let's transfer the equal sign here. And then 4m cubed plus 84m squared. And then minus 36m squared minus 4m cubed minus 12m squared square root of 9 plus 2m. And now, using the commutative property, this is now 4m cubed plus 84m squared minus 36m squared minus 4m cubed minus 12m squared square root of 9 plus 2m equals 0. Next thing to do is combining like terms. So to combine, we have 4m cubed minus 4m cubed. This is 0. Next, 84m squared minus 36m squared, that is equal to 48m squared. And then the remaining, copy minus 12m squared square root of 9 plus 2m equals 0. And now we can factor this in terms of common. The common is 12m squared times 48m squared divided by 12m squared, that is equal to 4. And then negative 12m squared divided by, and then negative 12m squared square root of 9 plus 2m divided by 12m squared. This is cancelled. So we're left with minus square root of 9 plus 2m equals 0. Now we can have two equations. First is 12m squared equals 0. Other one is 4 minus square root of 9 plus 2m equals 0. For our first equation, we can divide both sides by 12. So now this is cancelled. We're left with m squared is equal to 0 divided by 12, that is 0. Now let's remove the square by inserting a square root both sides. So now this is cancelled. So we have m is equal to 0. For our second equation, we can take negative square root of 9 plus 2m to the other side. So this is now 4 is equal to square root of 9 plus 2n. Next thing to do is we can square both sides. So we can cancel the square and the raditan. So we're left with 4 squared, that is equal to 16, equals 9 plus 2m. And then let's take 9 to the other side. So this is now 16 minus 9 equals 2m. And then 16 minus 9, that is 7, then equals 2m. You divide both sides by 2. So this is cancelled. So we have m is equal to 7 over 2. And that's all for today. For more exciting videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun with Maths.